Hey guys, starting section 4 SPSS. Go ahead and log in to your virtual lab. If you want, pull up the blackboard so you can get on the SPSS exercise 4. And let's go ahead. So if you want to pause the video for a little bit to open that up, go ahead, pause it, and then hit play, and we'll continue on. Alright you guys, so this section on SPSS exercise 4 is telling us provide the output file for one example of each of the following measures for these two variables. Because the Pearson's R, it compares two variables to see the relevance of each one. So remember, it must be interval or ratio level variables, which you have 0 to 0.1 to 1. So in between there, that's the interval level. On A, it says Pearson's product moment correlation. So that's what we're going to be doing on SPSS. The second thing is data to support the fact that you evaluate the assumptions of the Pearson's R. So for example, a frequency distribution, skewness, kurtosis, scatter plot evaluating. So we'll add that to the output. Again, the Pearson's correlation is used to find the correlation between at least two continuous variables. The value of a Pearson's can fall between 0, which is no correlation at all, and 1, which is perfect correlation between the two. Other factors such as group size will determine if the correlation is significant. Generally, correlations above 0.80 are considered pretty high. Alright. Okay guys, so on this we're going to start here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Analyze, and then we're going to go down here to, let's see here, I think it's, got to find the right one here. Get this all pulled up. I had it all ready for us here, but so I had Analyze. Go into Correlate, and after we get to Correlate, we're going to click on Bivariate. Alright you guys, so as you can see here, we want to get two of them. So I'm thinking what would be cool is age and weight. And once we get that, we're going to go ahead and click on Options. And when we get to Options, we want to click on, I'm trying to think if we want means and standard deviations, cross product deviations, and covariances. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the cross product deviations and covariances on here. And when we get to this point, we're going to exclude cases pairwise. So go ahead and hit continue. And then when you get to this point, it says test for significance of a two-tailed or one-tailed. Doesn't matter. We talked about that last night. So two-tailed, we'll leave it as is. Go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to go ahead and run an output for us here. And it should give us some correlations here between the two. So on the Pearson's correlation for the age of 1, it's giving us the weight of 2.02 and so on for the weight there also. Alright, so then to add to this for our correlations, we're going to go ahead and click on Graphs, Chart Builder, hit OK, and then we're going to do the scattered dot one. and then just go ahead and click on the simple scatter. It has the two plots on there. So I had age and weight, and there we have it. Simple enough. A little scatter plot. Go ahead and hit it OK. It's going to go ahead and add this to our output with our pretty little scatter plot. So beautiful. Alright, last thing we want to do is we want to add those descriptive things for the frequencies. Go ahead and analyze descriptive statistics. Go ahead and hit frequencies. And we're going to add over our age and weight again. Go ahead and hit on statistics, and we're going to add on the skewness and the kurtosis one. And that's practically all they're asking for, so hit continue on that. And I believe there's nothing else on these that we want to add. So go ahead and after you have all that over, go ahead and hit OK. And it's going to display our tables here for us. So with the statistics and the frequency table, with the skewness and the air, everything. And this is plain and simple it. So once you have this all taken care of here, we're going to go ahead and submit this. So we're going to go ahead and save the file, save as, and name the file exercise 4, your last name. So we're going to put the SPV at the end of it. You're going to go ahead and find your drive that you want to save it to. So local C drive for me. Open that up, and I'm going to save mine under desktop. And I guess I can't save to that one, so I gotta save to a folder, so I'll save it to my folders here. Perfect. Okay guys, and once that's all taken care of, all you're going to do is going to come over here to the next part here, and you're going to submit it. And once you get all submitted, then you're all taken care of. And there you go, you guys. Any questions, go ahead and give me a ring, email me, whatever. And hopefully it makes sense. And if not, let me know. Okay guys, peace out.